In today's SIP Certified Database tutorial, we're going to go over how to edit your listing for the Find Members tool. Find Members is a complete listing of SIP certified members that pulls directly from our database, so buyers, trade partners, and consumers can easily see which vineyards, wineries, and wine brands are certified. We have created a new address feature in the database called Member Listings so you can customize how your brand shows up. To demonstrate this, we'll use our test property, AAA Wine Grower Number 2 Vineyard and Winery. These symbols show that this name is associated with a certified vineyard, a certified winery, and has certified wines. One of the brand names under that wine application is brand name, so if we search it here, we can see how it shows up. Currently, the address information for the wine listing and the property are blank. A wine brand always uses the property's address, so this missing property address is the root of the problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to address missing or incorrect addresses, as well as how to change the name that shows up on your listing. So to get started, we'll log into the database and we'll click on Properties. We'll find our property and click on Addresses. And the only address in here currently is our mailing and billing address. We set up the Find Members tool to look for addresses that match the certification type. So certified vineyards, look for this vineyard checkbox. Wineries, look for the winery checkbox. And wines reflect back to the property that it's under. Many certified members have these addresses set in the database already, so that's why so many are completed. So if your address listing is blank, it's because you don't have a designation that matches your certification type. So there are a couple ways to fix this. If this is my vineyard and winery address, I can go ahead and select the boxes, and that alone will be enough to fix the problem. We can see it there, and if we search our brand name, it shows up there as well. If I need a different address, I can create a new one, and this will override the default if I select the member listing box here. So we'll say and if we go back to Find Members, so this should change to Pastor Robles when I refresh. And it does, and we'll check the wine as well, and that also did it. You can have multiple member listing addresses. This should only be used though you have multiple properties under one application. And then that way you can set an address and a public name for each one, and I'll show you what that looks like to change your listing name. We just want to call it AAA Wine. We can save it, go back here, refresh, and it updated our public name. It didn't, however, change the wine brand name since these pull directly from your wine applications, so those will always be the brand names that you submit on your applications. For wine applications with multiple brand names, each brand will show up as its own line. The tool only pulls wine applications that were completed within the last 3 years. So the wine application is complete once the invoice is paid and the certification letter has been sent. If you have questions about the Find Members tool or how your brand is listed, please contact SIP Certified staff.